Smartphone today come with a wealth of sensors to facilitate a better user experience, provide app with enhanced information about the world around the phone, and provide robust and increased battery life. So first talk about proximity sensor. Proximity sensor detect when an object is near to the phone, most commonly used to sense when a phone is held up to the user ear to the turn off the display. This save both battery life and prevent accidental screen touches. Now next talk about accelerometer and gyroscope. Accelerometer in mobile phones are used to detect the orientation of the phone. The gyroscope or gyro for short adds an additional dimension to the information supplied by the accelerometer by tracking rotation or twist. An accelerometer measures linear acceleration of movement while a gyro on the other hand measures the angular rotation velocity. Both the sensor measure rate of change, they just measure the rate of change for different things. In practice, that means that an accelerometer will measure the directional movement of a device but will not be able to resolve its lateral orientation or tilt during the movement accurately unless a gyro is there to fill it that info. With an accelerometer, you can either get a really noisy info output that is responsive or you can get a clean output that is sluggish. But when you combine the 3-axis accelerometer with a 3-axis gyro, you get an output that is both clean and responsive in the same time. Accelerometers are used to provide step information for a vendor health application. Now next talk about digital compass. The digital compass that usually based on a sensor called the magnetometer and provide mobile phone with a simple orientation in the relation to the earth magnetic field. As a result, your phone always knows which way is north, so it can auto rotate your digital map depending on your physical orientation.